This Hawk tutorial video will cover creating an endpoint and entering endpoint results for an animal bioassay study included in an assessment. This is the third step in the process of extracting animal bioassay study data and can only be completed after an experiment, animal group, and dosing regime have been created for the study. From the assessment study list, click on the short citation of the study of interest. Click on the experiment and then the animal group under which the endpoints will be extracted. From the Animal Group and Dosing Regime Summary page, choose Create New from the Actions menu under the Endpoint Editing subheading. This page is where endpoints and results are added. All fields with an asterisk are required and must be populated in order to save. Enter the endpoint name. Optional fields include system, organ or tissue, effect, diagnostic, response units, data location, and several others. Enter additional endpoint information in the appropriate fields. Data reported, data extracted, and values estimated are checkbox fields indicating if numerical data are reported, extracted, and/or estimated. By default, the data reported and data extracted boxes are checked. Uncheck these boxes if appropriate. If either of these boxes is unchecked, the dose response data fields at the bottom of the page will be removed. If quantitative data are not extracted, you can use the Results Notes field to enter the qualitative summary of results. Check the Values Estimated box if quantitative values were estimated from a figure. For some required fields, including dataset type, variance type, loAL, and noAL, Hawk populates default values. Change the default values as necessary. If data are reported and extracted, enter the data in the dose response data fields. Enter the sample size or number of animals per dose group in the N field if available. Enter the response value, variance, and significance level. If any data are not reported, leave those fields blank. As you enter numerical response information, a visualization of your data will appear to the right that can be downloaded. Click Save to submit the changes. After saving, the endpoint summary page will be displayed. From this page, the endpoint-specific visualization can be viewed and downloaded. To update endpoint information, choose Update Endpoint from the Actions menu on the Endpoint Summary page. To create an additional endpoint for the same animal group, go through the same process used for creating the first endpoint. From the Animal Group Summary page, you also have the option from the Actions menu to use Copy from Existing, which is a useful time-saving tool that allows you to use an existing endpoint as a template. Just select the endpoint to copy and click the Copy Selected as New button to complete the action. Modify information for the new endpoint as needed and enter dose response data. For more information and for more Hawk tutorial videos, visit hawkproject.org.